Welcome back to my hair tutorial video. So today we're gonna just do a braided high top knot, and it's gonna be super cute, super easy, and you can do it honestly in less than like 10-20 minutes. So you're just gonna start with your hair separated in half, not equal half, but just like the front the front of your hair. You're just gonna like split it, make sure it's like equal looking. Then you're gonna tie it up. Then you're gonna do like two small lines going down each side close to your ears. So these will be the areas where we're gonna braid it. Then you're gonna tie up the back, just make sure the hair's not in your way. And now you're gonna use a bit of gel just to make sure that your braid is really clean looking. And if you don't know how to braid, honestly, like, I believe in you personally, but you know, ask somebody to help you. And you're just gonna do that on this both sides of your hair. So now you're gonna comb out your hair. You're gonna apply some gel, whatever gel you prefer, and then just to make sure it looks slick. And then you're gonna use a hairbrush and just brush up your hair. And you're also gonna do the same thing in the back. Just make sure like it's well slick back on the front and the back. And kind of missed a step there, but just make sure you tie up. I personally tie up the first portion by itself before I do the second portion. I feel like it's easier when your hair is really poofy and not straight, so that's my tip. So now you're just gonna tie up both of the two sides together. Super duper easy. And now you're just gonna apply more gel. If you want to do edges, you know, that's up to you. I think I just did like, you know, a quick little thing, nothing too serious, but you go ahead, girl. If you want to do some curls, some everything, just do it up. Once that's done, I'm gonna take two pieces on each side of my hair. These are gonna be those extra braids. Then I'm gonna twist the big poofy hair. And once I'm done twisting, I'm just going to take a bobby pin, twist it around, and pop it in. Now each time I'm gonna do two small braids. I'm just gonna braid it really quickly and just repeat the same thing for all 4 braids. So 2 on each side. Now you're just gonna pin up the braids all over your bun. I just love this style. It's so cute and easy. Oh my gosh, and it looks classy. Alright, well, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So I'm just gonna add some bejewels in my hair. If you haven't seen how I blow dry my hair with no heat, make sure you watch that previous video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.